In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a folder in Google Drive. So, if you want to create a folder in Google Drive, simply open your browser or your Google Drive app. Then, if you are on the browser, simply go to the Google Apps right here and click on the Drive button. Then, once you are inside your drive, then you need to navigate to the My Drive option in the left hand side. Once you are in the My Drive, you can see the navigations. Now, go to the location wherever you want to create a folder. For example, I want the folder to be created right here. So simply click on the New button right here. Once you have clicked the New button, you can see this New folder option. You may also choose to press the Alt C and F key combinations. Then, once you click on the New folder, it will ask you to name the folder. For example, I will name it New. Then, once you have named it, simply click on the Create button right here. Just wait for the process to finish, and here you can see that the new folder has been created, and you can see the time of creation as well. Now you can store any files or data in this folder. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.